Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PamLashawn here. If this is your first time visiting, I want to thank everyone for stopping by my channel today to watch my video. So by now you've already seen my Christmas decor haul. Today I am going to be cleaning and decorating with the things that I picked up and some things that I've had since last year. This is a two-part video because I did take some things back and I purchased some more things for Christmas. So I'm going to upload this video and then I'll be uploading another video this week with the finished look of how everything turned out. So again, I want to thank you all for watching and I hope you enjoy the video.
I'm writing Christmas postcards out by the pool. It's 70 degrees in the shade and the breeze is cool. Yeah. Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go. Where the weather outside doesn't get frightful, it just stays warm and delightful. That's Christmas time in LA. Don't you know I'm loving it? Christmas time in LA. Can't you see they're pumping out snowflakes down at the Grove? If that's your thing, it's Christmas time in LA. If you go cruising downtown, it's a curtain of lights, and the tree at the Staples Center is the prettiest sight.
So here I'm about to change the light bulbs. It didn't make that much of a difference, but it did get a little brighter. It's still kind of yellow, but I like it like that in here. I don't like too much light in the dining room because I think it's just so like cozy when it's not so bright in the room. So there are some areas that still have yellow lighting and there still are some areas that I do need to change. And on this microfiber towel, I did not use anything on it. I was going to use the wood cleaner, but I changed my mind and just used a regular towel to wipe it off.
You know I'm loving it. Christmas time in LA. Ooh, the pumping out snowflakes down at the Grove. If that's your thing, it's Christmas time in LA. Happy holidays. It's Christmas time in LA. Don't you know it's Christmas time in LA? Oh, don't you know it's Christmas time in LA? Yeah. Oh, it's Christmas time in LA. Can't you see they're pumping out snowflakes down?
You guys, pay the curtains in here no mind. They will be coming down. I'm going to have some custom made that will touch the floor. So just pay it no mind.
Christmas
So I use about 6 to 7 drops of this now essential oil on my Swiffer just to kind of enhance the smell that is already on it. It makes it last longer, smells really fresh and inviting. As I said, I am in a house full of males, so I do whatever I can to keep my home smelling fresh and inviting. Me noticing that I just ripped the tag and tore the pillow, but I did take it back and they exchanged it for me for another pillow, so it was all good.
Don't you think that the holiday should be all about love? Mulled wine by the fireplace with the one you're dreaming of. I bought a tree, we can dress together. With nutmeg, apple, and butter. So now I'm asking you, hoping you'll take this ride. Do you want to make plans with me for Christmas night? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Girl, why don't we now? Why don't we now?
I really wish that the camera was recording when I first got this tree up, because it fell on my husband and I laughed so hard. And about 5 minutes later, the whole tree fell on top of me while I was at the bottom trying to fluff it. Okay, so that is it, guys, for this video. As I stated before, there will be a second part where I'm going to show you the finished look of the tree and some other things that I put out. I did state in the last video that I didn't purchase that much for this year. I am going to add on to it every year. I'm not trying to just go out and spend a whole bunch of money on stuff that I will probably replace. I want to purchase some things that have meaning, some things that I won't get tired of looking at. So every year I'll just add on. Next year I will be adding a Christmas tree upstairs. And I haven't showed you guys upstairs yet, but I will show that in another video also. But this is it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this motivated you to decorate your home. If you haven't, this really feels like Christmas in our home. My husband loves it. The kids loves it. So that is it, you all. I hope you have a great morning, evening, night, wherever you are. Have a great day.